Ready to move your crypto from Binance to Bitget and take control of your digital assets? Let's get started. First, open your Bitget wallet and navigate to the Assets section. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Let's say USDT. For this example, tap the Receive button. This will generate a receiving address for that specific cryptocurrency. Make sure you select the correct network, such as Turk20 for USDT. Now, carefully copy the address by tapping the copy icon. Double check it. Now, head over to your Binance account and go to the Withdraw Crypto section. Paste the receiving address you copied from Bitget Wallet into the address field. Binance should automatically detect the network, but always manually verify it matches the network you selected. In Bitget Wallet, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Binance will display the network fees and the final amount you'll receive. Review this information carefully. Pay close attention to the network fee, as this impacts the total amount received. Complete the security verification steps as prompted by Binance. This usually involves entering codes sent to your email and phone. This is crucial for security. Once the withdrawal is processed on Binance, you can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer using the transaction ID provided by Binance. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Finally, check your Bitget wallet to confirm that the cryptocurrency has been successfully deposited. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to reflect in your balance.